Are you ready to redefine your style with a daring new look? Discover the power of bold short hairstyles that transform heads and command attention. The Pixie Cut adds a fresh touch by highlighting your face and neck. The Shag Cut offers untamed layers for a carefree vibe. The French bob elegantly frames your face with chic bangs. Undercut Pixie brings endless styling possibilities to express yourself. Today's bowl cut is a bold and glamorous fashion statement. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with the latest hairstyle trends.